From here you see the sunset at the beach in Ashkelon. It's been a beautiful day here in late January. Hard to believe the weather. You know, I'm standing here looking out over the sea, and I had a memory 32 years ago. My brother-in-law took me out to the sea at Santa Monica Beach, and he said, you know, one day the sea opened and Am Yisrael walked through the ocean, walked through the seabed. You know, we all knew the story. We've heard the story a few times, a few thousand times. You know, I'm not sure I really believed the story at that time. I wasn't what you would call an Orthodox person. I hadn't really opened the books, hadn't studied the ancient traditions. But 32 years later, it's not a problem at all. 32 years later, I understand that to open the sea is not the biggest miracle. That there are bigger miracles. And of course, everybody says that the biggest miracle is opening the sea for the Jews needed to cross. Here you see a tanker coming in. Rabbi Nachman says the biggest miracle is change. It's for a human being to change. Change our nature, to change our traits, to change our tendencies, change our habits, to reverse our addictions and compulsions, obsessions. That's real change. And that's bigger than splitting the sea. And according to the tzaddik, the righteous holy man, it's even harder. So that gives me actually strength and hope. Not because how difficult it is to change, but rather proportion on what it is we're trying to do. For a human being to change, you know, it's like looking far out to sea and trying to find a point of reference. Who will I be when I get out to that point? Who will you be when you drop all the things of this world and are just your simple self? The beautiful soul that you were born. Who will you be without all the attachments of this world? It's a big challenge, but it is the challenge. It is the true reason that we were put here, to prove that man was made a little less than God. Kasauto me'at min Elohim. He made man a little bit less than himself. Seems like a lot. But you know, we have to believe. If it's said, if the sages said it, then it's true, and then it's possible for us. And we can live the biggest miracle, bigger than opening this ocean. There's no need to open the ocean right now. It would upset the shipping lanes. But to open our hearts and to change our traits and to become something else, that's worth everything. God bless you all. We'll see you again.